What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another video, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and the Galaxy Buds FE. Right now, I got them on Samsung.com, and they do have a promotion for $200 off if you trade in any Android device. So I went ahead and traded in my Motorola Moto G Stylus 2023, which I paid like $10 for on Boost Mobile. So got a pretty good deal for that device, and I went ahead and picked this one up. This one totaled me out the door at $477.68 with taxes and all. So I got like $322 off. You can see there. Got a savings of $322. But yeah, pretty good deal. I do not know anything about this device. I know it's pretty popular right now. It's trending right now. So I decided to pick it up. So me not knowing much about it, I'm going to go ahead and ask the Gemini assistant here. Let her tell me about this S24 FE. So tell me about the Galaxy S24 FE.
S24 FE is a powerful and versatile smartphone that offers a range of impressive features and capabilities. Key features: large display. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display provides a stunning visual experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. High refresh rate. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Triple rear camera setup. The 50 megapixels main camera, 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 8 megapixels telephoto camera allow you to capture stunning photos and videos in various situations. Powerful performance.
Nice.
The Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, depending on the region, delivers fast and efficient performance for all your tasks. Long-lasting battery. The 4,565 mAh battery provides ample power to get you through the day. Wireless charging. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging. IP68 water and dust resistance. The phone is protected from water and dust. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a great option for those looking for a high-quality smartphone with a large display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system.
Wow, this is very nice. It's probably just as big as the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's basically the same. Let me take this case off real quick. Looks like it's identical in height. And I want to give you a comparison real quick. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and this one here. This is a glass back. It's more like a shiny glass back, and this one here is more of a like a sort of a matte feel. But height-wise, it's the same. And when it comes to thickness, I think the SE is maybe a tad wider. So it's a little bit wider. So pretty nice big screen. You do have to see the bezels all the way around. They're kind of even all the way around. The Google Pixel obviously has thinner bezels. But yeah, for the price of what, $477 with the buds, I think I got a pretty good deal. This is just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the buds. I never had these. I might not even open these. I might end up selling these or something, but yeah, go ahead and power this on. I don't know much about spec-wise on here. There it goes. So yeah, let me see if I could hear the specs on here. Tell me the specs on the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. There it goes.
The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE boasts a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens. The phone is powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset and comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM.
See, that's the only thing I actually know about this device, is that it does come with an Exynos chip. But other than that, I don't know
RAM. It packs a 4,700 milliamp hours battery and
It has 8 gigs of RAM too.
supports 25W wired and 15W wireless charging.
Anyways, stay tuned for more on the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. I guess they call it the fan edition. This is the very first FE that I do get, but so far I do like the build quality. It's very squarish, like very flat around the corners. Like the frame is very flat. It feels real good in the hand. I don't have a case for it yet or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and I'll come back with some more videos, give you guys my thoughts. This one also has a bunch of stuff. It has decks, I believe, has all the Samsung goodies. So I'll have to do a deep, thorough video on this one. So stay tuned.